In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to uninstall CapCut on Windows step by step, and I'll also show you how to complete the clean removal dialog so you can fully remove the app and if you want, clear out your user data too. This is a quick and easy process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along without any confusion. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Installed Apps or Apps and Features. As you type, Windows should show you the Matching System Settings option. Click that result to open the list of apps installed on your computer. Once the Installed Apps page opens, use the search bar in the menu to type CapCut. This will filter the app list and make it much easier to find the software quickly, especially if you have a lot of programs installed. When CapCut appears in the list, look to the right side of the app name and click the three horizontal dots next to it. A small menu should pop up with a few options. From that menu, select Uninstall. Windows will usually ask you to confirm the removal, so click Uninstall a second time to continue. At this point, the main uninstall process begins. After that, a CapCut clean removal dialog should appear. This is an important step because it gives you a choice about whether to keep or delete your user data. If you want a complete wipe, uncheck the box that says Keep User Data. That way, CapCut will remove more than just the program itself and also clear out the local settings and files associated with the app. Once you've made your choice, click OK or Confirm to execute the removal process. The uninstaller will then finish removing CapCut from your Windows system. Depending on your computer, this may take a few moments, so just let it complete. When it's done, CapCut should no longer be installed on your device. If you want to double check, you can go back to Installed Apps and search for CapCut again to make sure it's gone. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled CapCut on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.